बांबोळीच्या ग्रँड हयात कॉन्फरन्स हॉलात कॉमनवेल्थ लॉ कॉन्फरन्स मळ्यार 23वी राष्ट्रकुल विधी परिषद जाली। CLA आणि कॉमनवेल्थ लॉ कॉन्फरन्साचे उक्तावण आयतारा जाले। राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय, मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, केंद्रीय कायदो मंत्री किरण रिजिजू आणि हेर मानेस्तांची परिषदेक उपस्थिती असली।
It is a matter of pride for me to interact with such a rich pool of professionals who either assist in lawmaking or who do the work of assisting the court in interpreting this law and legislation. With the outreach of the knowledge revolution, the citizens have become far more aware, the vigilant and assertive for the law rights, and in a positive sense, this makes the job of the lawmakers far more challenging, wherein the proposed enactment are more often not but through the judicial scrutiny and before being thoroughly implemented. I am glad that and all of you will discussing the various topics such as corporate law, family law, civil law, criminal law and administrative law, etc. as a part of this conference. We are glad that your conference is happening in the state of Goa, and it is a further strengthening our resolve to make the Goa as a prominent destination for the MICE tourism in India.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, जवाहर बर्वे आणि संगीता ओली।